Market daily visualization for July 21st, 2026. Adjust the daily price. The high of the day. The low of the day. The price. PSAR number 1. PSAR number 2. 5-day look back. 10-day look back. 10-day low. 5-day low. 10-period regression line. The 30-period the 30-period SMA. The slope of that went positive. The first positive sign for a while. 30-day look back. 20-period regression lagged 10 days. The 150-day frame. The daily price frame. And the 120-period regression lagged by 30 days. So that gives us kind of an inside day right in the middle of the 10-day range, drifting higher. Still vulnerable to global news, but showing some remarkable resilience in spite of the war ramping up. Interesting times.